Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Wednesday, 20th January 2021. It's our English period. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today is day of cloudy and foggy weather. How's weather like today? Today is cloudy and foggy weather. First of all, we will sing ABC rhyme. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Happy, happy I shall be when I learn my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Let's start phonics. A B B C C D D E F G G H I J J K K L M N O P P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, students, today our topic is OG series. OG series. We will learn OG series through flashcards. First of all, tell me which picture is this? Yes, here is a picture of dog. Here is a picture of dog. Okay, now I am telling you how we will learn spelling of dog. Dog, 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 dog. O-G, og, dog, dog. What is this? Dog, dog. Our second picture is, here is a picture of boy who is jogging. Who is jogging? So here we will set jog, 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 jog. O-G, og, O-G, og, jog, jog. Okay, students, tell me, what is this? Here is a picture of log. Here is a picture of log. What is the color of log? Brown. What is the color of log? Brown. How we will learn it? Log, 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 log. O-G, og, log, 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 log. Okay. Tell me, which picture is this? Here is look like cloud, white cloud, but it is fog. Fog also in white color. Have you seen fog? Yes, we see fog on daily basis because now days are very foggy. What is this? Fog. What is this? Fog. 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 O-G. Og. What is the sound of F? F. What is the sound of F? F. Fog. 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 Okay, students, tell me, what is this? Log. 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 What is this? Jog. 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 What is this? Dog. Dog. Okay, students, open your copies, sharpen your pencils. We are going to start our copy work. Okay, students, first of all, you will write here date. Write here capital W-E-D, word, N-E-S-N-E-S-D-A-Y, day, Wednesday, comma, 20th January. Write here small th on 20th. After that, you will write here capital J, Jan, January, comma, 2021, full stop. Okay, students, keep in your mind your letters must touch to this line. Okay, today our topic is OG series. We already learned this series in through flashcards. Okay, tell me which picture is this? Here is a picture of dog. Here is a picture of dog. You will write here dog, 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 D-O-G, dog, D-O-G, dog. After that, you will write here log. What is this? Log, 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 log. Make small loop of L. Then you will write here O in center two lines, G in lower three lines. Okay, students, writing should be very neat. What is this? Haze, fog. Here is fog, 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 fog. What is this? Haze, jog, 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 jog. Okay, beta, complete your work. Show me picture of your work. Thank you. I am waiting.